Sometimes investing your money can be stressful, and if you're not careful, the stress can cause you to make costly investment mistakes. Use this simple meditation exercise before and after investing to relax and be calm. Let's begin. Start by allowing yourself to pause, take a deep breath, and exhale slowly. In a safe space, allow your mind to wander for 30 seconds, starting now. As your mind wanders, internalize the following thoughts. In this moment, with each breath, I am becoming completely calm and relaxed. Now, shift your thoughts to positive ways you can relax. These can be things you have done before or things you wish to try. Center your mind on one of these relaxation methods. For the next 60 seconds, visualize the steps involved in this method of relaxing, starting now. See yourself achieving each calming step and enjoying the relaxing process. As you breathe in and out, feel yourself becoming more immersed in this moment of relaxation. Now, for the next 60 seconds, visualize having a calm and relaxed day, starting now. Even if challenges arise, see yourself remaining completely calm and relaxed. Take comfort in the fact that you will achieve this calm and relaxed state you desire. Finally, for the next 30 seconds, allow your mind to wander again, starting now. As your mind wanders, shift to this single thought. I am ready to stay relaxed and calm to continue to invest successfully, and I will.